there is personal, energetic, vibrational frequency. All of us have a certain frequency. If I talk about your academic career, graduation, so how do I summarize your 15 years of study, your knowledge and all this? Only in 79.3%. That is the crux of your 20 year of education. That is how I summarize it. Your mark sheet says 79.3, so you are Madam 79.3. She is 98.5, she is 98. I am not talking about the radio channel. So likewise, we all have a certain, so that is our that is how our knowledge or our academic qualification is recognized. Similarly, in the world of success, world of money, you have a frequency. Whatever frequency you are operating at, people of similar frequency will come to your life. You will get a boyfriend of that frequency only at which you are operating. You will get money, you will get a job of that frequency at which you are operating. Everything will be of your frequency. You will have friend circle of that frequency at which you are operating. There is BBC radio in this room. But can you listen? Yes, you can, if you tune in. If it is, the frequency is 104.5, whatever. So if I put 104, and then BBC radio begins. Money has a frequency, you tune into that frequency, starts flowing in. You tune into $3,000, $3,000, tune into 10,000, 10,000, tune into 1 million, 1 million will come. Money has a frequency. Everything in this world has energetic vibrational frequency. And when I talk about this frequency, I am not talking about freak frequency, one-time frequency. For instance, you go to church, you get into higher frequency instantly. You become a very nice human being for those 20 minutes. You are the nicest person those 20 minutes when you are in the church. Good thoughts and all that happens. And when you walk out, back to normal. So, but your frequency did rise for those 20 minutes. When you do meditation, your frequency rises. When you do yoga, your frequency rises. When you eat good food, healthy food, your frequency rises. And one big secret, water. Water is the biggest secret. Any water which has a pH of more than 7.365 will keep you in high energy. Earlier, all these film actors, all these multimillionaires, they had something called ionizer in their home that makes water into, I am not talking about water filter by the way, people mistake me. I told them to do it and they still bought the wrong thing. Ionizer it's called. Now the prices have gone down. Earlier it was $15,000, $20,000, now it is only $900. I bought recently Toshiba, $900. There are maybe other brands. In India it is even cheaper. On Amazon you also get a water bottle which converts water into high pH. It is only $20. Somebody known to me bought it for 1,000 rupees, which is $20. So you can use that water bottle or you can buy that ionizer. So all the time you are drinking 8.5 pH water, for instance. Even if you are suffering from a serious disease of cancer or whatever, it has been proven medically that if you take water of high pH, the disease won't aggravate, it will stagnate at that. So if you are suffering from a life-threatening disease, drink high pH water, you will not die. You will die when you are destined to die, but not die because of this. So water is very powerful, very, very powerful. Drink only that water. At home you can put that machine or you can have that water bottle and carry your water bottle all around. So when we drink water, we get into high pH. We eat good food, we get into, high frequency. We go to church, we get into high frequency, so on and so forth. Whenever we do charity, you get into high frequency because certain chemical reaction happens in your body. You feel good. When you give $10 to somebody, the feeling you get cannot be described and you get into high frequency. And by the way, this is not an abstract term. frequency. This can be measured. Now there are machines which can measure your frequency. There are machines, they put those electrodes and all that, and they can measure your frequency. So it's measurable. So whatever is being spoken, so this is physics. This is not something that from the fantasy world. All this is measurable. So you have to constantly remain in high energy. Then when you reside at a particular energy, then things start happening to you in life. If I am at this energy, people of that energy will come and meet me. They'll give me business proposals of that level. If I'm at this energy, people of that energy will. If I'm at this energy, somebody will come and say, let's open one cafe in Balestier and we'll do like that. I'm at this, somebody will say, let's open one factory. So that will differ. People in life, different kind of people will come, the kind of energy you reside in. So how do you remain constantly in high energy? You have to, few techniques are there, meditation is there. Meditation is the most powerful technique. Meditation, then being in awareness. All the time you are watching yourself. I am not describing this topic into length, but there is a technique which is called witness consciousness. You are watching yourself all the time. I am standing here, I am watching myself. I am speaking, my hands are moving like this, I am speaking, he is recording, all that. So I am watching. Though I am talking, but I am watching myself. So if I do that, then yes, you have decided it. As Henry Ford said, if you think you can, you can. If you think you cannot, you cannot. Either way, you are right. So don't have limiting belief. This cannot be done. Don't make such statements. Money making is different. Don't talk negative about money. Don't talk negative about yourself. Don't talk negative about the beliefs. 3 things. Don't be negative. The moment you become negative, your frequency falls. And you have to remain in high frequency all the time. All those power of intention, creative visualization, law of attraction, everything will start working when you are in high frequency. When you are in high frequency, more money will come. When you are in low frequency, less money will come. Namaste friends. The list of videos on and around this topic has been put for your perusal. If you want to make comments or ask questions, please put them in comment box. If you like the video, please click on the like button and also please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.